Welcome back to another stream. This is stream number, I think this is stream number 43, I think. Yeah,
Ashfaq Raman.
we're in
Hello, how
stream.
is going?
What's going? What's going good, brother? It's going good. It's going better. Day by day, I'm going better. Oh, refresh your stream, I mean. I could say that. Refresh your stream, then you will be able to watch me live. Refresh the stream, by the way. Refresh the stream, you will get notifications.
Adam Morse. Refresh the stream.
Pum, 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 pum. Today we're going to do another project, by the way. This is good lighting.
Ashfaq Raman. Project name.
Project name Rock Paper Scissor. Thing. Rock Paper Scissor. We're going to create a Rock Paper Scissor game.
Zohaib Hassan. Stop the BG music.
Okay, first I'll stop the BG music. Why should I stop the music? My voice is coming, by the way, so there is no need for.
Ashfaq Raman. Please change the Musk. Iron Fist. Hello,
Please change the
brother.
music. Hello, welcome to the stream, all guys. This is a good song. Those are for Ritve songs. I mean, Ritve. You guys definitely know the
Ashfaq
Ritve.
Raman. Nice.
Nice. So, wait a second. Give me a few seconds to manage all those
Iron
things.
Fist.
Iron Fish too. Bye. Welcome to the stream, Iron Fish. Let's get
Iron Fist. AAJ Along level high icon.
level high. Look at them. Rename, how to rename it? Yes, rename. Okay, so what you have to do is just add another file. What should I search? Okay. Okay, let's go. Start our stream. Play the background music. Today is feeling hot, man. Why?
This is vlog. Number J Scoder KO subscribe Cardo.
Yeah. Yeah, so rock paper scissors game. First of all, I will watch the video and I will make
Number of
notes. By the way,
KO subscribe Cardo.
bro, nobody is going to care about it. If you are going to promote it, I mean, make a video and then we will automatically. Then the people will automatically watch your videos on all those things.
Daily practice. Bro, listen, big dogs.
Okay, I will listen after when I will take a break. When I will take a break, then remember me. I'll definitely do. I will first of all I will watch a video, then I will make notes and I will do with my own. I will not going to like watch videos and do. I mean, then I will do all those things because that is same as copying. I mean, I'm just copy pasting the code.
Don't watch the code, just think about the concept, then try to code it out.
Okay, it's like that. Okay. Don't think about the code, then first of all try it out and then. Okay, then rock paper scissors. We have to create. Let's copy this first. Control C, I think. Control C, yeah.
This is vlog. Now search number J Scoder and subscribe me.
What are you going to care about it, brother? If you are going to sponsor, I mean, just do your thing. The people will all come. Yeah. Rock paper scissors game project.
Number J Scoder and subscribe me.
Okay, so what should I think we should import a random function because it will be a game. So import rn and random. Import random, then you create a.
Search number J Scoder.
Bro, I'm going to block you. Like literally, I'm saying you that by F you, man. Go away. Look, here is the block from YouTube. I will block you, by the way, for type it again, this kind of thing. Okay. Import a random. Then let's create a list. I think. ELA wire clear. Computer or Python or computer. I mean. COM space RN man RN computer random equal to split list, and in this list we will paste rock paper scissors. With commas, obviously. Okay, this will be a sentence.
Why did you block him?
I didn't block him. I just gave him some like threat. I just threat him. I mean, I didn't block him. I just threat him. Don't message those kind of things. Okay, we created this. Then, okay, Windows Defender summary. Okay, I will do after this. Okay, let's print this in what kind of thing? Where should I print this random thing? I mean,
daily practice. Warnings, you mean?
Huh? Mornings, you mean?
Daily practice.
Let's take this as just random.
Import
I mean,
scanner tool.
import scanner tool. Why? I don't know the use of scanner tool though. Run. Let's give a run, yeah. Okay, run. Then let's com com just com just ran dum random is equal to
Google. Bro, you ask ChatGPT to get the code.
no. Why should I ask? I mean, I just started the stream. I mean, random random is equal to or we should print. I
Daily
think
practice.
on
It's
control
not
Z.
tool. It's a class.
It's a class. Okay. By the way, I have doubts about class. After this project, I'm going to learn that classes thing. I mean, OPP, object oriented programming, print or something. Not. I mean, okay. Control V is equal to random dot.
Daily
What is that
practice.
called? Rentin, I think.
Don't use GPT for such things. Daily
I
practice.
don't use by
Learn yourself.
ren.
Daily practice.
I think
Random is also class.
yes, random is a class. I know. I mean, I know the basic thing. I mean, the importing thing and all those things. I don't know about much more things. I just know only one thing: import random and import math. I just know two things because I did few questions related math and I'm importing a. I mean, I already created this kind of project, a dice roller multiplayer game. So yeah, man, it's like this. The random number. Okay, we did same. So the same thing. I mean, computer random. I think I should use something. No. Why it's not happening? I'm returning. Yes, I'm returning it. Oh, okay. Just print it first of all. Print. Let's print. Okay, wow, the error is showing. What is error in B? What is the error? Random error in the error. Random dot what? Only random. Okay. Why? Choice. Random dot choice. I think.
Using chat.
Using chat. Huh? Using chat GPT. No, I'm not using chat GPT. I'm just doing with my own. I mean. Okay. First it's print paper. One more time paper. Don't delete it, yeah. Paper. Then scissor. Okay. Two times scissor. Then also scissor. Then paper. Then rock. Okay. Here we go. We created this thing. Then what should we do? Then I think we should create a if conditions. If rock is this, then this. Okay. Let's say ROCK. We have to ask the user also, na? Okay, so user input. User input is equal to
Mall84.
input.
What are you doing?
I'm creating a stone paper scissor game. Okay, input and enter your ch. Enter your choice, by the way. Enter a choice and let's copy this thing. Let's copy this one. Control C, I think.
Google. Bro, try Pygamy.
Bro, try Pi game. What is try game? I mean, try Pi game. Okay. The user will input in here, and let's take also. Let's print it also. How the user will print. I mean, print the user input. Let's add a space in here. The space, and also let's print this also. Print computer random. Okay, wow. Okay, enter their value. Okay, let's enter rock or paper. Relation to arrow sticky rock. Enter. We print rock and the computer prints Caesar. Who will be win? Rock will be win. So I win like this kind of. Okay, let's add then if I can. Is if user input is equal to user input is equal to what? I mean, if user input is equal
Daily
to
practice.
computer RAM C1.
No need of Pygamy, and also it is a library. Let him make it with using class.
Let him using class. I'm making this. I'm going to make this with my own. Okay, let's print. What should I print now? Okay, it will be print. Print what? Print tie. Print T. Print tie, or we should print like only T. Okay, we will understand because we are making with my own. I mean, we don't want to create as if easy packing. Is it? No. Else. Yeah, else if user input is equal to
Google. Search for Pygamy on Google. It is a 1D full library to learn if you like game development.
I don't like game development. I'm just creating gaming project because those projects are for beginners level. So it's like this. I mean, and well is equal to paper okay. If user will print rock and the computer will print paper, then print what? What should you print? You win, I think. You win now. Okay, can we do like this? I mean, can we like create these things with the numbers? I mean, can we give those things as a number, like as a 1, 2, 3, like kind of this, and and if we will print, if we will enter rock, then it will be count as 1. Can we do like this? That can be easy. I mean, because it's math, then we can do like a 1 function. if run is greater than and come to 2 or 3, then it will be print you win, you lose. I mean, directly. We have to create all those things. Can we create like that? Control C.
Daily practice. Yes, set limits into random class.
Yes, set limit into random class. Set limit into random class. What are you talking about? Set limit in random class. How to set that? I'm a beginner, by the way. I'm not a thing like that. I mean, you will print user will print what? I mean,
Google.
you lose.
After learning Python, what's your next plan?
Going to do some like what is it, algorithm and all
Daily
those
practice.
things. Like going to learn all those
You
things.
have rock, paper, scissors, so make it 1 to 3.
Yeah, but how I'm going to like value this as a rock is equal to 1? That's, I mean, how I'm going to value it? Yes, I can take a variable, I think, like variable like this, but then also it's not going to work, I think.
C++ SE Python PE Shift Merga.
By to C++ A Python. I didn't do C++ by the way. I was doing C language, not C++. Paper. Okay, the paper has 3 things: the paper, scissor goes, and the rock. There's a rock also. You will not. You will lose. The input will lose, I think. As you lose the scissor. Okay, then we will win. Win. If there is paper, scissor, what is that? Rock, scissors. It will be okay. That already done. I mean. Okay, the paper has 2 things. Let's cut this. Let's enter paper, I think. C or V. If we put scissor we win,
Daily
I think.
practice.
It will be
I
win.
have made it in Java so I can help him with concepts, but I will try to tell you how exactly to do. Don't expect much LOL.
I made this Java so I can help. You made Java. Java is like so difficult, man. Congrats for that. I mean, paper, the same thing. Either in here we have to print. In paper we have to print the rock, I think.
Google.
Yes.
You could use random.randit 1,
Yes.
3 for computer choice.
The computer choice. 1,
Daily
3, but
practice.
how I'm going to value
Yeah,
it?
that is exactly.
Yeah, that is exactly. But how I'm going to value it? Like in here, I should print rock is equal to 1, paper is equal to 2, and it's like, I mean, it's the same thing. Then also it will. Then also I have to print like this kind of thing, you know. I have to create like if, I mean, the statements, I mean, conditions. Then also I have to add conditions. So I think it's like same thing.
Daily practice. Set those limits how Google showed.
Set those limits. Okay, let me do this first, then I will do like that also. I will try, I mean. Because we are in here rock and in here paper. Same thing. The rock and Caesar, I think. Roll C. V. Let's say Caesar. Then we will win.
User input should be int, input, enter 1 for rock, 2 for paper, 3 for scissor.
Okay. That can work, I mean. Okay, we'll do this after this because I'm doing this with my own, so let me do it. We take the all values or not? I mean, in here it will be Caesar, then it will be rock, Caesar and rock, then I will lose. I mean, see. See. V, oh my god.
Daily practice. Income underscore random equals random dot randit, 1,3.
Yeah, but this code is more understable, I think. I'm not saying that. Yeah, this code is more understable. If I add 1, 2, 3, 4, then I am going to confuse about it. Okay, if paper is if we lose rock, then there will be paper, then we lose. If there is Caesar, there is paper, we will win. There is rock and there is paper, we will, yeah, huh? I think we will lose in here. Hello, else lose. Then there is rock and there is Caesar, we will win. Then is Caesar and rock, then we will lose, I think. Hello, as lose. Then what? If there is Caesar and rock, we print Caesar. I think we take the all situation, else
Daily
print
practice. Let me see the output.
PR. Okay. Try. Not I. Try. Try again. I don't know. Let's print. Okay, we didn't print. Okay, let's see then.
EU Python.
Paper. Enter. Try again.
Daily
Okay, wow.
practice. How
What is
random
happening?
can print rock, paper, scissors unless you didn't assign them with inputs?
I did. I mean, here you can see. I give the random in this. Those are like things. Then I dot random dot choice ran, and I'm taking input using this. I mean, yeah. I mean, the user input the. How random can print rock paper here? You did an assignment with this input. Okay, then show me the values also. Yeah. Computer random. In the end, print user input. Okay. Now let's go.
Idgidg. Why Python?
Why? Because I want to do in some data field. Paper. Okay. Wow.
Idgidg.
Rock. Paper.
Wait, how old are you?
But how old are you? I'm 18 years old, by the way. What's that video? I mean, I uploaded a video, then you will get, I mean, the overall about me. I don't know what happened in here. I mean, rock and paper. We didn't do rock and paper. Yeah, we did. User input is equal to rock and computer random is equal to okay paper. Okay, we didn't add this rock and paper wala. Okay. Stop it is the control C, control V. Okay, win. Okay, let's go. Now it should print. Have print PAPER paper. Enter. T tie. Okay, to tie the game. Enter. Let's enter rock. Rock. Dot. Rock
It
tie.
did.
What the fuck? Two times tie.
Do
Why?
you know about the switch statement?
Rock. Switch statement. No. Tie. Why? It's tied three times. ROCK. Two times. I mean. Three times. Rock. Yeah.
Daily
You win.
practice.
He
Do
printed
while works
Caesar.
better.
Do while. Do while works better. How? How while is going to? Okay, while true. Yes. But I'm not using any loops by the way. Let's create it then.
Google. Python does not have a built-in switch case statement.
Python doesn't have. Yes, Python doesn't have which case statement. Whatever he or she said. I mean. Yeah. Okay. While true, it will be
It
work
did.
then. It's good by the way.
Yes, use do while.
Paper.
Daily
Enter.
practice.
True.
Put
Okay.
else
Fine.
statement into do while.
Huh? Put else in do while. But it's going to a infinite loop. How can I break it? In end, I can break it. I can break
Google. There is match case.
a match case. Huh? Paper. Okay, it's going to be a why. It's going. Should I use a, like in everything like a true? I mean break. 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 And break. And
Idgidg. Wait for an input after showing the result. Daily practice.
I wait, but it's going to a
While false.
infinite loop.
Idgidg. Ask for an input
While
asterisk.
I already asked, man. Let's print PAPR. Paper. Enter. Yeah, we did tie by the way. Enter. It is breaking. Why? I mean, false thing. If false, huh? Why when I create file then? That's why I'm rock. I win by the way. Computer choice. Okay, let's print then in here.
Daily practice. Use while false and then try also remove break statement.
Use while false and try also remove break. Huh? Let's set F and then or your choice this and
Saya Swanth Peruri.
computer
There is
random.
no need of while.
Yes, if I'm using the break thing, then there is no need of while. But I think this is going to be a like a total function. Yeah, that's the reason. In here also I use while if max then this is. I'm using too many whiles in here by the way. Yeah, so it's handled on counter.
Id gidg. You're breaking out of every if statement man. Why use while then?
Yes, that's the thing.
Daily practice. At Saya Swanth Peruri. Why?
User input is this and user input. Yes. Okay. What is? I think we should while true or while false. Did I add something extra or something? FAL or false. Create. Got it. What is
Saya
happening now?
Swanth Peruri. At Id gidg right. Id gidg. User underscore input equals input. Enter your ch. Rock paper scissors. Keep this line at the end of your while loop. Id gidg. And remove every break statement.
Yes, I remove every break statement, but then also it's still
Daily
there.
practice.
I mean, what is happening? This
Break
code.
statement is in no need.
Okay, I come and got the break statement. Control C then and add it in here. Let's got then also. Then also, why is saying white dots? I mean, no quick fix available. What? Didn't understand them. Now let's print out this piece there and go see.
Id gidg. Use
Paper
tab space.
this. Here tab space. Okay. False. We want another tab space then. Shift plus. Okay, wow. We have to do this kind of thing. Arey, what is this?
Below. Id gidg.
Below. What is
Not
wrong?
there.
Shift plus tab, I think. Okay, we did this now. Now I can do
Id
this
gidg.
and use tab.
No man.
Nah, it's not working. Shift plus tab is for this. Then let's tab. Also it's showing. It's not showing.
Idgidg. User underscore input. Idgidg.
Stop,
That
bhai,
thing.
stop. Hey, what thing? If I using false, then it's not printing anything. It's saying error, I
Add tab
think.
space before that.
Yes, I add before what I mean. Before what I already using the tab space. Here you can see the tab. Okay, let's cut the tab space. Shift plus this for I just cut the all tab space. Okay, I'm using one tab space. It's showing that. Let's use two tab space then. Two tab space. Then also it's showing. Shift plus this.
Google. You could use ASCII art for rock, paper, scissors symbols.
Yeah, that's also good.
Idgidg. User underscore input.
I do. What is user underscore input?
Idgidg. Tab space before user underscore input. Idgidg. And also the print statements. Idgidg.
Huh?
Read the chat, man.
I'm reading the chat, by the way. What are you trying to say? Tab space before user input and also the print statement. Huh? That type space between user input.
Idgidg. Line 25. Idgidg.
Line 25. Okay. No, nothing is wrong with line 25 though. I feel. Tab.
Oh, line 27.
Line 27. What is print here though? I'm using while false, but then also it's not happening. Yeah. Paper user input is pick.
Idgidg. Keep doing what you're doing. I'll use #Evan. Daily practice. Okay, so listen, you have to use scanner for this. Daily practice. Your program is in loop.
Yes. I know I have to use a while loop, but where should I use the while loop?
Daily practice.
Look, I created the game successfully, nothing is wrong.
Out of the while.
Take the else statement. Okay. Let's try that also. Then also there is
provide
like
code
this
in
thing.
chat. I will try to optimize it.
I can use the AI, bro. In the chat, it will take time. AI will. It's not because of else. Let's try this then. Let's start chat GPT for this. I mean, I'm not going to find anything with this. Code C. Not now, bhai. Look, I got trying to while loop is never exist. Hello, it is so logic inside the loop of a lacking logic, I think. If this, where is while loop then? Okay, here going to while is using. We have to use while true in the front of random, bro. All things are good, but we have to use the while inside there. I mean, else also good.
Simple.
Okay,
Bro, check out the link I gave you.
bro, check out the link I gave you. Okay, by the way, YouTube doesn't allow that chat box to, I mean, send the links. By the way, so you can't send any links. Shift plus tab. Okay, in here I have to use the while loop. While true, I mean false. Huh? Then also still showing me that while true, this, that, dot lowercase. I don't know why I entered. If user is equal to pick break. No, I don't want to break. All things are good. What is wrong? Why? Let's copy this thing. Arey,
Daily
I did the
practice.
same thing. Why?
Oh right, I did not notice too.
Oh right, I did not notice too. But what is happening in here then? It is like going comparative and showing it so error. It is a logic error, but what is the logic then? Hmm. Very, no. Bro,
Daily practice. Use true so your program will be in loop. Daily practice.
use true.
Not
So
false.
you told me to use false. Now we're saying true. Yes, I used try, but then it will be like
Thaddeus
that
want
kind of thing. I mean,
Add break if user enter exit.
yeah, I will add it, but the thing is, then it will be an infinite loop. Then it can be a, like a why when I'm creating then if I want to create an infinite loop. I mean, look, PAPER.
Gokul.
Okay, how?
If user underscore choice equals 1 and computer underscore choice equals 3, print, you win. If user underscore choice equals 2 and computer underscore choice equals 1, print, you win. If computer underscore choice equals 1 and user underscore choice equals 3, print, you lose.
Array, I did it
Daily practice.
already, but the thing
I
is,
was wrong before.
okay, you are okay. It's okay to wrong, but I want to create it while true na. I mean, it will be like do run one more time, one more time, one more time like this. I mean, paper. It's tie. Okay, okay, it's good. It's good. PAPER. Paper. You win the game. Okay. Paper. You won already the computer type rock and we enter paper.
Daily practice. This time it will not
Paper,
be
okay.
an infinite unless you don't input.
Yes, okay, it did. Okay. So we created, I mean, let's modify and let's enter like break also. Let's add another if in here. Tab. Let's focus is the another if user input is equal to q, I think. If user input is equal to what is q, our q. Q dot uppercase का Q and it will be break in here also. Okay. And I think we should print those things. Control C and Control V. Got this, and let's print those in here. I think. Control V. Okay, it's like going to do like this. I think. User input are different. Those random things are in a pack. Okay. If a user print Q, then it will. But I want to add like if a user press like a capital Q, then it will be automatically like a small one. The range. I use it somewhere. Yeah. Dot lower Y. Okay. Dot lower. We have to use dot hello lower is this. I think it's equal to Y.
Google. While user underscore input equals Q //
What is that? User while user input Q / S. I think it will go like this. Let's print it. Yeah. Paper enter. Why it didn't ask
Daily
that if something.
You have to use lowercase.
Yes, I use it. Lower. I mean, there is a function called lower. Rock enter. But ask why it isn't asking this. I mean, I think it will be another break. Let's tab. Then it would be like a logical error. Why it isn't asking it?
Daily practice. Disappointed face. It's
Disappointment. How many seconds? I think it's 20 seconds delay. Okay, so why it's not happening? Because we have to create another while true. I think we have to create another while true user input.
Hi,
That.
Machine
Hi, sir.
learning when?
When after I complete the Python, I mean properly.
You need to keep asking for user input unless input is Q.
Yes. Huh? You have to keep asking user input unless it's Q. Yes. And while true, I think TRUE true. Let's add this. That will be so the error. Then we will use the tab in here. Then it will be okay. And I will confuse then in here also. Definitely I will confuse. Okay. Break that. If user input is, then we have to take another user input. Let's print in here. See, I think. Or we can do that also. It's confusing. Okay, let's do in here. Let's first print it. Let me get in conclusions. Control Z. Print.
Daily practice. English or Spanish?
Telugu. I mean Odia. I'm from Odia. So let's press Q in here. Q. Enter. What? Computer choice user. I'm printing Q. Oh hi. I just want to quit. Bhai. Odia bhai. Just find. Just type it then. Exit space game exit game is equal to, let's take a input and here enter
AI with AK.
Q.
You what's up? Daily
Yo,
practice.
what's up? AI with AK.
Bro is too innocent.
W and
It gig.
bro is too innocent.
com/restream.io. Trophy
Com
congratulations. You've received
1
100
to
messages today with Restream chat.
okay.
It gig.
Enter Q.
Share.
Enter Q.
It gig.
1 to
Agakai Zizek. Dot. It gig. Python.
for exit Python. What are those things? We're typing it.
It gig. Has taben at first.
Exit has 7 at first. Huh? Let's control C. Okay, let's go. Now it should be work. If it doesn't, then I think okay, nothing. ROCK rock. Okay, press Q for entering, but it doesn't say we win or something. Press Q, CHQ. Rock, ROCK, no. Its computer will print paper and I feel me wrong. Then exit what?
Visit the site man. It gig.
Visit the site. Bro, stop, bro. I'm going to block you then one more time.
/it gig. Share /it gig.
Stop, just stop. Stop, I mean. Why it's not doing thing? What happened to game? I mean, it's not working then. Paper. User input paper. But it should be print. We should quit or not. I mean, why it's even checking those things?
Solutions.
I wrote the solutions, okay, but what is happening? Didn't place the while and proper spacing. We didn't add. I mean,
solution asterisk.
I don't want solution, brother. No, I don't
practice.
want solutions. I don't want.
Bro, type everything in one type. It gig. Why do you want to block me? It gig.
Because you're just spamming. I mean, Python so continue.
Saya Swanth Peruri. Press Y to continue or N to stop. Better.
Press Y to continue or N to stop. Okay, but that's okay. But I will add here. But it's not printing that you win. I mean, it's not printing anything. Let's see. Okay, let's see. PER paper. He print scissor. I will print paper. So I should lose. Okay, and here you can see. User input rock. I mean, why scissor and paper? What is scissor and? Yeah, I didn't enter the scissor and paper. Yeah. Okay. No, it's not. I didn't enter that paper and scissor in here. Okay. Control C. Control V.
AI with AK. Can you scroll up a little bit so that I can look at the entire code?
Okay. Give me a sec. Control C. Not going up though. Control V. Scissor. Oh, pardon. Control Z. Okay. Give me a sec. If you're done, then I mean I was right. PA. PAR, I think. Okay, enter. I did.
Google. Part 1. Import random user underscore choice equals int. Input. Enter 1 for rock. 2 for paper, 3 for scissors, if user underscore choice not in 1, 2, 3, print, invalid number.
Don't give me the answers, yaar.
Daily
Hello,
practice.
brother. Oh, okay, here you can see the.
Hello, bro.
Okay, so by the way, let me explain what is happening. What did I do? I'm going to the random, then I create a while function. While it's true, it will be like do again and again, again. Then I create a ran, which will be rock, paper, scissors, the three things. Then I take a random thing. Then I take a user input in here. Then I print all those things. If the user will print, type Q, then it will be break. But then it's not printing. It's the true form, or it's you lose, you win. Then it's not printing all those things. Okay. Did I catch you? Did I catch you? Okay, like look, if I print in here, let's say paper, P-A-P-E-R, paper, enter. He print rock. The user will print rock and I print paper. So it's mean I should win because I printed paper. So it's not printing, you win, but I added. Here you can see where is paper. Paper, and here you can see the user will, if the random thing will be paper, if I print if I type
Daily
it
practice.
paper and the random thing will be rock, then I will win.
Statement.
Else,
are you Nepalese?
Nepalese.
Peruri. No need of another while loop. Keep the break statement at end. Daily practice.
Yeah.
I think it may work. AI with
okay, wait.
The while true loop at the end of the game after you display the you win you lose conditions.
Okay, wait. Give me a sec. You can score, okay. Put the exit game input else statement.
AI with AK.
Okay, that should be work.
Practice. Hello, how are you doing?
How are you doing? Exit the Pradhan. Are you from Nepal? No, I'm Odisha. I'm in India, Odisha. No need for another
handling edge cases like wrong input by user.
Wrong input by user. Yeah, I should add that also, but first let me add this one thing. Not able to add this one thing now. Okay, AK with AK, put the while true loop at the end of the video and
AI with AKM fine.
Goes, okay. Let's copy exit from here. Let's control V like this, I think, or I should add this tab in here. Let's print it and paper. Then it's not asking me if you want to like quit or something, because my print statement in here. It's not asking. It's not going to work. Then let's start this. Okay, it's not asking because I didn't enter. Okay, now the function is on. Let's see. Like this. Now let's print paper. It's
daily practice. No need to put while in the end.
Okay, let's cut while also in the end. Let's cut it. Let's add in else statement then. Shift plus F for it. Okay, let's print. And it's not printing the thing, yeah. Then it's not asking if you want to quit or something. It just messed up,
The while loop.
Wait, what is going on? I'm not getting it by anything. Remove the while loop. I remove the while loop, then also it's not printing. I mean, that not even asking me like if you want to quit the game or something.
Daily practice. Type Q and check.
Look, this is good, but that
AI
is
with
not
AK.
asking me if you want to print
Remove
or
the if condition from the
something.
else block at the end.
Okay,
Swanth
see,
Perui.
okay, let's see.
Keep outside of else.
Keep
Saya
outside of
Swanth
else.
Peruri. At end.
Here you can see I use say another else. Okay, wow. Okay, I can add two else by the way. Uh, okay, so let's cut this thing then. In Control V. Look, I add this and I add break in the end. I add in here exit game input this thing, but it will be not going to print anything. Let's delete it first. PAPER paper enter. Okay, now it's good. Q. Let's Q. You win. How I win even? Like how I win though? Now it's printing win in the last. There is some error now, bhai. Look, if I add this in the end, then the result will print after I quit. Okay, the result will print after I quit, so it's not going to work in here also. That's not going to work in here also. I think there's something with this pop spacing. I mean, this while and this while is going inside to this while.
AI with AK. Don't add your if statement to the else block.
Don't have if statement in the else block. Okay, let's try that also.
Daily practice. Remove break.
Here we go. Okay, this is what you're talking about. Here we go. Let's print this. Oh, I have to add a break though. Why can't I add not break? I mean, I have to break this then. If the else, okay, look, see, if I print this, it will be process all the things. After this, it's going to do this. Okay, this is not a stand of like a exit queue. Then look, paper. It should print T for tie, but it's not printing. If I print Q, then it will print tie, but I want tie in here. Another user input is paper or something like that. It's not going to work. That also. It is working kind of, but it's not like that.
Daily practice. Yet add break sorry.
It's okay, but what should I do next? I mean, I think there's wrong with some spacing in here. I feel like that. Control C. This.
AI with
23.
AK.
Now it should work.
No, remove the else on line 33. Daily practice. Take else statement out of the while and remove break.
Take else statement one out of the loop and not take else statement out of the while loop. How it is going to work, bro? Now it should work, I think. Okay, exit Y. Q. Rock, paper, scissors. And it make no sense. Control Z, I think. Let's do then in here. Control V. Your user input will be PAPER, paper. Wow, then also it's not going to work. It should be in here, but there is something wrong with our code or like that. I mean, I think. How he's going to do this? I mean I checked this in here. How I had a quit thing, quit. If user input is going to quit, then break. You're just using if. Oh, okay. I also can use the if. I think. Yeah. I also can use if in here. I mean, let's cut this. Shift plus tab in here like this. Okay, now it should work. Print paper, enter. Then also it's not showing scissor and paper.
Just try.
I'm trying, yeah. Scissor and paper, yes. And computer choice. We need scissor and scissor and paper. I should win, I think. But it's not printing then. Okay, wow. Then also it's not going to work. I mean, if I use break in here also. So what should I do? What should I do? What should I do? Well, bro.
AI with AK. Now copy that if statement after your you when you lose conditions.
Huh? Okay, wait then.
Saya Swanth Peruri.
Add
quit at last.
Add quit at last. Huh? No, copy the if statement from where you win. If you lose, continue. You lose, continue. I didn't get it. What you are trying to tell me. Now copy the if statement after you win. You lose, condition. I have to print all those things in here. Okay, no. I'm not going to do that. That will be like way big code and it will be not understandable that much. I think I should add another spacing in here. I feel like that. I think I should use control tab.
Shantanu Saraf.
Tab.
Guys, subscribe. He's close to 300. And hi, Morse bro, what's up?
I know. What's up, Santanu? Welcome to the stream. I think. Let's print it. I think. Let's print here, paper, enter. Your choice is input, input. Then also it's not going to work. Why? What should I do?
Daily practice. See if you keep input in the loop, it will remain in the loop, and when you use break statement into loop, the program ends and starting again.
See if you keep input inside the loop. Just that one.
AI with AK.
Now that will be so.
I mean, copy your Q walla if statement at the end. Saya Swamp Peruri.
I add that. I already did that.
Break while loop or user enter no mean continue for next iteration.
If user enter yes break while. Array bro, I'm doing in here. You can see it. I'm using while, but then it's not printing my this thing. I mean, then it's not printing the if statements. Then it's cancel out the all. Okay, what can I do? That's not break. Okay, if I use break, then it will be.
Daily practice, nice name, lol.
Daily practice, nice name. So what should we do?
Daily practice. At Shantanu Saraf, funny right? AI with AK. Try it once again cause that Q if statement was inside a while loop before.
Try one more time because you okay, you are asking that I mean copy the Q, quit thing, quit while if statement, while if
Shantanu
statement.
Saraf. Daily practice yep and that PFP2 skull.
Control C and let's cut this. Then it will show the this type of error. I mean, inside in here right now.
Daily practice. At Shantanu Saraf appreciated LOL. Idgidg. Read the book Fluent Python.
Yes, I will follow the fluent Python. Okay, but they can someone explain this word. Sit under spacing, right?
Idgidg. You ain't getting anywhere by just doing what you feel could be right.
Okay, it's chat GPT time. Control C.
Saya Swanth Peruri. It will print the below part if user enter Q, then only while will break.
If it will print the below. Then that will be like process all those things, and after that it will be print like that. Then also it will call, you can say like it's false. He is printing Q.
Shantanu Saraf. Green light looking nice brew.
Green light looking nice. Oh, thank you for that. Okay, while run is taking something of the dot lower. Why is using dot lower in your? Okay, the if the user will input its capital letter dot lower. Okay, great. Okay, we can print all those things. Control C. In here, we can print all those things. I think. Yes, print and enter. Yeah. Then also it's not working. He's not using another while loop. I should ask that use another while loop. I want to learn. Use while loop in there. Why? I want while loop, using while loop. Inputting while. Still.
Saya Swanth Peruri. Can you explain why are using other while loop?
Can
Daily
you
practice.
explain why you
Yeah,
using
exactly.
another while loop. Yeah, exactly. Because it will be print every time with this, I think. It will be print every time. If the user input is X, then that. It will print every time with that, I mean. That's the reason I'm creating another while loop in here. Let's do that also. If you guys are saying that I shouldn't use those things.
Daily practice. Try to stop the loop. Your program is in loop.
Huh? The program is in loop? What? No, it's not. I'm scared, man. Loop is not. The same thing happened.
AI
Let's
with
do
AK.
this. It's not
If you
printing my
want copy and
results, I
send our
mean.
code on Insta, I can debug it and add comments of the mistakes.
Okay. Or wait a second. No, continue. Why? I can say in print in here like uh, pom 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 pom. Okay. Let's do this. It's not printing the results. I did that also. What you are talking that, I mean. In here, instead of this printing, I can use like if you want to continue the game, press Y. I
Daily
mean that.
practice. Yes, it is when you are typing Q, it does not exit. Instead, it is again asking for another input.
No, I didn't type Q though. I didn't type Q in here.
Peruri. You are already in a true while. You print everything every time. So no need of other while for exit.
Okay, I deleted the while loop. Then also what? Look, P R P A P R. That's P A P E R. Paper. Enter. It's asking the Q. If I print Q, then it will be end, but it's not printing the results then. It's not printing the, I mean, then it's just like not executing this if statements and all those things. Look, what is the mistake in here? PA, PA. If I enter paper, enter. Scissor and paper. I should lose, okay. You should lose, but in here it's not executing all those things. It's just asking me Q thing, I mean. It's like this.
Saya Swamp Peruri. Before printing result you are breaking the while, so add it at end.
Before printing result, not able to understand why. Okay, let me this. PA,
Shantanu
PER.
Saraf. You can practice DSA off stream to build more logic. It'll make mind more sharp to code anything.
Paper, okay. Let's just print this.
If you want to execute the if statements present below, then the break if statement should be at the end. Daily practice. Wait, what exactly you want?
If you want to exit the if statement is below the break, huh? Present below the then the break. If statement
On Shulk
with our
it is executing exactly what is in the code. it is stopping at line number 13 because it is waiting for an input.
Yes, that's the thing. But it's not executing these things. So it's like this. So where should I put this if statement then? I think I should. Okay, let's. And then also it's not going to work. Okay, why the fuck I'm creating all these things here? Okay, let's print if I want to quit or something. Control Z. Control Z. Okay. This is a while function. Okay. Dot. Lower this. Tab and control V. It's on the logic error, bhai. What is this now? Logic error.
Daily
Okay.
practice.
Now let's go.
What do you want in the output? Please explain a little.
Okay. But it's not printing the now. What do you want to? Okay, here. If I add this in here, then the results are not printing. Okay, the results are not printing because those all things are waiting for
you definitely don't need two while true in this code.
Okay, I deleted, but then also it's printing the same thing. It's waiting for the instruction. Then it's not printing this. I mean, then it's canceling out all those if statements. I mean, why when I wrote it like this kind of thing?
Remove the while loop and remove the if statement from the else block at the end. Saya Swanth Peruri. At AI with AK exactly.
At AI with AK exactly. Let's remove the while loop and remove the if statement else block. Okay, but it's not going to print then this kind of thing. If I enter another thing, I mean, then it should be work out. State if break. Okay, here we go. Print. It's not going to work. I'm just telling you. It's just never going to work it like this. Here you can see two problems.
Saya Swanth Peruri.
Terminal.
Remove one intention.
Remove one intention. Exit then also. It's not working, brother. Step.
Saya Swanth Peruri.
Here we go.
Remove one intentation.
3. It's tie. Okay. Why is it printing this thing?
Statement ka ek tab space kemkero sir.
Paper. It's tie, but it's not printing. Then it's end exit or something like this. Huh? I did, bhai. What is wrong now, bhai? Now it will be not going to execute this because it's already sounding this.
Daily practice. When you type Q, your program is exiting right.
Yes, it will exit, but it's not working. Got it?
With AK. At Saya Swanth Peruri ye a face purple crying. Saya Swanth Peruri. Keep it outside else. On Shulksies. I think you need to read the docs on if/else first.
I think you need to read the doc if else first. I already learned. those guys are telling me. That's the reason I was adding those things, because I know that it will be, I mean, it won't be work, because the first thing, this all condition will
AI
be
with
checked,
AK.
then else in the last
At
step
Morse
that
code
will be
search
checked.
Python indentations on Google.
In the most search Python indentation, array, the
Daily
indentation
practice.
is right, I mean.
What exactly is not working? I am a bit out of topic, lol.
Okay, this is the last time I'm explaining this. Okay, here, PAPER. I print paper simply. Okay, it's okay, done. Enter. Where is the result? Paper. It should be tie. Okay, it should be print T. Here you can see it should be print T. Now it's showing enter Q for
AI with
exit.
AK.
I don't want to
At
exit
daily
now. I
practice
want
he
to
needs to add the
answer.
break statement at the end, but he is putting it into the else block.
Okay, let's end it. Let's add break. Here you can see it's showing the logic error then. Then also it's showing the logic error. Control Z, I think. Else if
Daily practice. Oh, I see now. I seriously did not noticed it. Saya Swamp
you
Peruri.
literally you didn't notice
Once
it.
keep code in chat.
Skip code and chat. Aha. Then also it's not going to work by
AI with AK. At Saya Swamp Peruri YT won't allow such a long comment.
okay, here you go. I entered in the last break. Break in should be in here. Break, yeah. Something is wrong in here now. Because I used two if statement. Let's skirt this way. Else if
On Shulk sees. The first while loop is unnecessary.
first. Okay, let's see on your terms also.
AI with AK. At Morse code DM or code I can debug it and send it to you again. On Shulk sees. Create a code snippet and share with your viewers.
Code snippets and share with your viewers. Okay, I will do.
Daily practice. Not it's the second loop is unnecessary. On Shulk sees. Yet, he only needs one while loop.
Okay, I will do that also. Then also it won't be work. Bro, let's see. I send it you. I don't think I can send that much long message on Insta. Yeah. I can't send those long mistakes. Unsend. I can send you this long code. I think I send it. See. I can't send you this long message. Let's divide by part by part. Fuck यार. And enter. I divided that two parts.
Saya swamp peruri. Else, print, try again, I don't know, number exit the game exit underscore game equals input, enter Q to exit, if exit underscore game dot lower, equals Q, print, exiting game, add like this. On Shulk sees. Google past Eben.
Google passed around me. It's not going to else. The basic Python thing in every single programming is if you are using else, it will be, process it end of the thing. If you print, if you do anything,
There's
it will be not
to
going to
share code
work.
snippets than this. On Shulk sees.
Okay.
Face purple crying.
So the coding basic thing, if you are adding else, it will be else. The first thing it will be execute all those statements. Okay, all those conditions. If the all conditions are not checked, then it will be do like this. Okay, your thing is wrong. Sri Paruti or something like that. You just print else, print that. That won't work. Here we go. Paper, here you go. The same thing just appear. Let's break not here. Okay. Let's, we're not going to break in here. Okay, it's to require something now. Go Z.
Daily practice. Please run the program for me again. I did not get to see out.
Okay. Paper, here we go. Enter Q for exit, but I want this things, it's just waiting for the break thing, so it's won't be work. So we have to use another if. Okay, need to get it. I asked ChatGPT also, but ChatGPT is using this thing. He's also using break. I don't know how it's going to work though. Print in.
Saya swamp peruri. Exit underscore game equals input. Enter Q to exit. If exit underscore game dot lower equals Q, print, exiting game, add this outside the else try.
By the way, you have to explain me how you decode it. By the way, if you use a ChatGPT or something.
Hey, I sent the debugged code on Insta. Run it.
Okay, let's do that also. Man, that's the reason I was saying that I should first of all watch a video, then I will try with my own. That I will have a good idea what I'm going to create and all those things. Like, see me. If you guys didn't like the stream, do like. Where is Insta? copy, and paste. Where is it go? Insta, where it go? Copy and paste. Okay. Here we go. This is your code, and okay. Null to print while this function if user is present. Huh? I think this is your code. Run this lower f and like this. This is my code, I think. Where okay, you did end else then break. Just print it. There's something wrong. Line 40. Code runner doesn't know a symbol change octane. Oh my god, I have to modify it.
AI with AK. Replace the semicolons. It's due to Insta not using the semicolon format of VS Code.
Yes, and there is
Saya
a
Swami
thing.
Peruri. See clearly how he add the exit statement.
Okay, wait. I'm doing it. Copy. Where is it?
AI with AK. Don't put it in chat GPT, just replace the semicolons.
No, it's not going to work. We have to replace the all semicolons, not just one semicolon. Let's just doing it. It's the same code. I think. Let's small it. Look, this is the same code. I think you are using it. Let's print it then. You add in one, okay? You add in one thing. Paper. It's a tie, okay. Paper, one more time. Huh? Paper or X. And Q and enter another character for play again.
Daily practice. See, just correct your code. You don't need to change must from your code.
Okay, wait. What did you do by the way? I want to know that first. If user if user input is equal to Q, proof. Now, if user input is equal to Q, then break.
AI with AK. Chat edited the code. It's not the same code.
Okay. I should control Z. I should do control Z. Okay. How I can re-symbol it? I think re-symbol like this. double quoted. It's not working. How can I re-symbol it like in the all thing? All double quoted in all double quoted thing. Re-symbol code run code type run to reference. Pick on change all effective. Yes, change all location.
AI with AK.
Yep.
Control plus F and replace IG.
Has single quote, I think. Okay, so this is your code in summary.
Daily practice. Can you paste your code in the chat? Daily practice. Please.
Okay, wait. It shouldn't change the all text, yaar. Control F. Control F2 or something. What did you said? I joined the 5 viewers. Wow. Control plus F. Okay. Okay, it's done, I think. It doesn't did anything else.
Saya Swanth Peruri. At daily practice it is not possible, bro. Daily practice. At Saya Swanth Peruri, okay.
I literally am. Enter. Now it's done. No, huh? What is the code? I mean, bhai. What is happening in this code? I mean, it's showing this. I am irritated, bhai. So, bhai, what did you do extra? Let me see. You did extra game if that you print that.
AI with AK. Press the side arrow and then choose replace.
Okay.
AI with AK. In Control F.
Side arrow. Here I did the side arrow. Change with this, bhai. Bhai, but just let me see. What did you do extra? I will do that. Okay. Exit this. Control C. And I got all those. Literally now it's just a
Daily
simple
practice.
code.
Just change your own code with using AI with AK code.
Yes, I'm going to do that. Input, print, user input, that's like this. These are while loop. Okay, let's use this then. Yeah, bhai, I'm confused. Let's. Okay, here we go. This is the thing you did, and let's go. Paper. Enter Q to exit. Okay. uh, Paper. You win. Enter Q. Okay. It's work. But how it's work? I mean. Okay. I was adding this thing inside else, so that's why it's not printing that time. Okay. Okay, I understand this code then. I got you. I get you, man. On that time I was adding this thing inside a else. I mean,
Saya
that's the
Swamp
reason I was not getting.
Understand the flow.
Yes. I on that time I just to use this thing outside this else condition. Okay.
AI with AK. We won Bwa finally face purple crying face purple crying. Saya Swanth Peruri.
Bro, next time I will
Start I
send you.
am telling that. Daily practice. Yeah bro.
You are telling that use in, I mean, use this inside a else, I think. You're telling me to use this inside a else. So that's why I'm just told you if this all condition will pass, then it will be so like this. Okay. Wow, guys.
Daily practice. I told you too that you put it in the else.
I told you to put it in the else, but it outside the else, it not inside the else. If I do this is inside else, okay, then it will be not going to print anything. Like, see, paper, look, you win, then it's not showing me all those things. Get it? It is outside else. Okay, I think we should take a break because it's too much for me. Where's my song, bhai?
Saya Swamp Peruri. Check my previous CLM and EMTs. Daily practice. I said it int underscore game in the else.
देखो आने जाने वाले सारे साथ खड़े हैं, कभी ना कभी मैंने भी
Daily
तो
practice.
ऐसे वैसे ख्वाब
Search
देखे
big
हैं
dogs.
कि हम तो आस पास सांस थमे और रात साथ बात करे, क्यों ना रह लो ना, अब तो आए जा हमको ले जाए जा, अब तो आए जा हमको ले जाए जा, अब तो आए जा हमको ले जाए जा, अब तो आए जा हमको ले जाए जा।
Daily practice. At AI with AK exit underscore game is an else statement, right?
Sage.
Daily practice.
दिल की धड़कन
At
से
AI with AK bro, you hear?
तो आए जाना, हमारी सब के हो जाए आना, इस तर धोरे तो कैसे सोए जाना, इस तर धोरे लो लोरी सुनाना। दिल की धड़कन
AI with
से
AK.
तो
At daily
आए
practice,
जाना,
yeah.
हमारे सब के हो जाए आना, कभी कभी तो हमसे घबराना, सभी को तुम ही
Please let me know,
समझाना,
bro.
अभी तो हमने ही जाना, तू कायना 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 लोरी सुनाना।
AI with AK. At daily practice it won't be in the else statement cause it will only enter the else statement when the user doesn't
दिल
enter rock,
की
paper,
धड़कन
or
से
scissor.
तो आए जाना, हमारी सब
What is going on though? Either it wouldn't be in the else statement because it will only enter the else statement when the user doesn't enter rock paper scissors. Yeah, that's the reason. That's the reason it will be. It won't be happy because the user input will be.
Daily practice. At Morse code search big dogs.
What is that? Big dogs. If I get copyright strike or something, it's on your side. Okay, what's the song name?
Daily practice. At AI with AK thanks bro.
Big Mom. Oh, I already watched it. I mean, I reacted yesterday stream. I think yesterday stream. I mean, it was
Warning.
super hyper. I mean,
Stunts and
it's like super hyper. I mean,
10 toes in when we standing on business. I'm a big stepper. Underground methods. Top notch hoes get the most.
I already watched it.
Straight terror. Product of your error.
It's like super hyper for me. I mean, for the stream. I mean, okay, let's go. Let's play it. Man.
Pushing culture, baby, got that product you can measure. Trendsetter, the one who get the weather.
Okay. So let's go to YouTube then. Let's watch. I mean, let's add some more things in our code. I feel there's so many things I forgot to add. I think. Where is our pum, pum, pum. Here you go from Broco.
Scissors. Now that we know how. Hey everybody, in today's topic, I thought we would create a game of rock, paper, scissors. Now that we know how the random module works, let's begin by importing the random module. We will create some options. We will use a tuple. We're not going to be changing the options, so a tuple would be better than a list. We have 3 options.
Daily practice.
Okay, he's using
Source code,
tuple.
It's okay if you don't want to.
What I mean? That reaction.
Options. Rock,
Paper
or
and scissors.
I'll create a variable named player to store the player's choice. For now, I'm going to set this to be none, as well as a computer. Our computer is going to pick a random choice from these options, rock, paper, or scissors. In order to do so, we can use the choice method of the random module, random.choice. Pick a random choice from options. Let's have the player.
I did same thing. I think. I was also importing this using enter
Enter in some input.
player.
Enter
Yeah.
a choice.
I place user input instead of player.
Paper, scissors. Then we will display the player's choice and the computer's choice. I'll use an F string. Player, colon,
AI
space.
with AK. At daily practice, you're welcome.
The variable player. Let's copy that, paste it, then change player to computer. Let's see what we have so far. Enter a choice, rock, paper, scissors. So I pick rock, the computer picks scissors. Let's try it again just for good measure.
Daily
I pick
practice.
paper this time. The computer picks
At
scissors.
AI with AK, can you
I
share
pick
the
scissors.
code?
The computer picks paper. Okay, we know that the computer is successfully picking a random choice from our options. Now, what if the player picks something that's not within this tuple, such as the gun?
Join the group. You will get the code. I mean.
Well, we would want to stop that, right? We need the user to pick a valid option, only rock, paper, or scissors. I think what we'll do is that when we accept the user input, let's place it within a while loop. So indent this line. While, this condition is going to be kind of weird. While our player variable is not in our tuple options. Let's try this again to see what happens. I pick the gun. Enter a choice. All right, well, if I can't pick a gun, how about a sponge? Well, I can't pick that either. Rock.
Okay, we forgot to add this. I mean, if the user will enter anything else, I mean, let's do then. Let's print if a user enter Morse. I mean, try again. I don't know. It will be print like this. Try again. I don't know. Press for Q or enter anything. Should we add that? I mean, what is using though? Player not is option. Is it creating an option or something? Okay, let's add in here then. What should we add? What did he add? after this thing, I mean, while user input is not open, it's not showing me any options or something.
Bro, learn Java oops concepts, you become pro coder.
Java OPP concept we will learn. Okay, coder. Yes, I want to learn that one. Not in, okay, not in, not okay. Not okay. Open, like not option. There's no options like there's no option. There's no option. Not in option. Okay. Run, I mean, splitting array and run. Now let's print mors. Okay, here we go.
Rock. That works. Our condition is while the player variable is not found within our options. If the player doesn't pick one of these options, this while loop will continue forever. Once we pick something that's within our options, we then escape the while loop. Let's check some win conditions. Now, if the player is equal to computer, that means it's a tie. Else, if the player is equal to
AI with AK. At daily practice, it's in the Insta chat group.
rock, I'll use the and logical operator. And
if you didn't like the stream, by the way,
scissors, that means you win. Let's print, you win. Let's add another condition, else if the player picks paper, then you also win. Picks paper. If the print, you lose. Let's see if this works. Enter a choice, rock, paper, scissors. I pick the gun. Nope, I can't pick that. I pick rock. I pick rock. The computer picks scissors. You win. Let me see if I can lose. I'll pick paper. You win again. Scissors. I need to stop winning. I need to see if the lose condition works. Okay, it's a tie at least, but I need to lose. All right, there we go. I pick rock, the computer picks paper. You lose. What if the user would like to play again? Let's place all of this code within a...
What is thing? Random.ss.
Let's do so right about here. Now, I'm not going to write while true like
daily
I normally
practice.
do. This time...
So let me be clear. I practice Java and I have made rock, paper, scissors game in it a long time ago, and I did not use something like exit_game outside the else lol.
Long time ago, and was long time ago, and something like episode 3 outside the else long. Let's see
I'm
what
to
he
create
is
a
going to
variable.
do.
Let's say running is our game running. I will set that to be true. While running equals true, or we could shorten this to just while running. That's simpler. I will place all of this code within the while loop. To mass indent some code, just highlight all of the code and then press tab. Hey everybody, this is Bro from the future. I forgot to explain something. The reason I'm not setting the condition of my while loop to be true is that if you have a lot of code within a while loop, it can be really difficult to find where the break statement is. If I set my condition to be a Boolean variable such as running, it's a lot easier to find any instance where I use this variable. If I were to highlight it, we can see that running is found down here. If I need to change any instance of this variable and rename it to something, you can refactor. Let's rename running as maybe playing.
Refactor, okay. What is refactor? Our thing. I want to refactor this thing.
Daily practice. Also, if you need to input something in terminal, you have to use scanner class for this.
Refactor not available. Also, if you need to input something in terminal, you have to use scan class for this. Okay.
Then I will refactor. So my variable running is now playing, and that change was made down here too. So it's a coding preference. Every time we start a new game, I will reset the player as well as the computer. Let's move these 2 lines into the while loop at the beginning. So when we start a new game, we will reset the player. The computer will pick a new random choice. So let's see what we have so far. Rock. I pick rock, the computer picks rock. It's a tie. Then we have to play again. So paper, you lose. Scissors, it's a tie. Now what if we would like to escape the while loop? After our win conditions, I'm going to create a temporary variable. Let's name this play again. Then we will ask for some user input. Play again, question mark. Y/n, meaning yes or no. If the user types in something that's capital, I'm going to use the lower method to make it lowercase. So if our play again variable is equal to y, we would like to escape. What I would like to do is I would like to see if the player types in something.
AI with AK, did you watch this video? Did you watch? Just ask, yeah, just say yes or no. Did you watch this video?
Will precede this condition with the not logical operator. If the user does not want to play again, then let's take our Boolean variable running, normally it's true, and set that to be false.
Daily
Running
practice.
equals false.
Okay, bye guys. It was a nice lesson for me, hand pink waving.
Bye bye. Daily practice. Have a good night.
That means we will escape the while loop. Once we escape the while loop, I will print thanks for playing. Now I'm going to change this momentarily. I just want to test it. Rock.
AI with AK.
Play again, yes.
Nah man.
Ah man. You didn't watch?
Paper.
Okay, if
play
you
again,
say
yes.
so.
Scissors. You lose. Play again. Nope. Thanks for playing. This is entirely optional. I try and create as few variables as possible. I would personally rather avoid creating a variable here. Another way in which I could write this is that I can get rid of this variable. Let's move if not in front of the input and follow our input here, then use the comparison operator. Then add a colon. If the
Okay, what is he doing then? If not, then why or not?
user's
Okay.
input, after making it lowercase, does not equal a y for yes, set running to be false. So that should work the same.
Okay.
Rock, play again, yes. Enter a choice. Paper, play again, no. Thanks for playing. This line would work the same, but it's a little
Okay.
more complex for beginners to read. Or you can use the other method that I showed you. All right, everybody, well, that's a game of rock, paper.
So the same thing, by the way, we also did. Literally didn't watch this. Let's try that. I mean, alright. So I'm gonna big this. Okay. Let's big this. How can do this then? How can we do? Let's place it on. Not. Okay. Let's go. Paper, yes. Tie. Then rock. Enter. Okay. Press anything. Okay. Rock. Enter Q for exiting. Enter. Huh? Just exiting. Oh, okay. What did I do wrong? Okay. Back it. If not, input is equal to this dot is equal to dot y. Okay, what the false it, nah. Yeah. You don't have to use break I think you have to use false or something. False. Why did I use false name? Photo paper. Okay, one more time. Let's press Q. Huh? This is back to then. We have to take a variable for this, I think. Okay, let's learn now classes, I
But it's
think.
a little more.
I have doubts about classes.
Aditya Pratap Singh. Late night studies.
Yes, late night study. Classes in Python in 4 minutes. I want a big video where I can learn like fully classes. Learn Python in 12 hours. Nah, I don't prefer bro code for this. Learn Python beginner classes and objects. Classes and objects. How do you learn this? Yeah, bro code. Python object oriented programming. OOP, yes, OOP. Classes now, it should be OOP. OOP inside a classes, I think. Class inside a OOP. OOP. By the way, Python is object oriented programming. It's like this. Object oriented programming in Python. Full course for beginner. Okay, let's learn 12-hour video.
It's important for software developers to understand object-oriented programming. In this course,
Let's
Jim
make
from
notes
Jim Coding
also.
will teach you all about object-oriented programming in Python.
Object-oriented programming could be what is holding you back from being a great Python developer and as well as landing your first job as a software engineer. Welcome everyone to Python Object-Oriented Programming course. Now, if you struggle to understand the concepts of object-oriented programming in the past, then you are totally fine and you are in good hands, because in this course, I'm going to make sure that this will be the last tutorial that you will ever watch about classes and the complex concepts that comes with object-oriented programming. And we are going to do this by developing a real Python application that is going to be very cool to write, and we will add it to its complexity step by step. And throughout the way, we will understand everything that we need to know about object-oriented programming. Now, there are going to be some requirements to this course. I do expect from everybody to know at least about functions, variables, if statements, and as well as for loops. And if you know those things from other programming languages, then this is also fine. So with that being said, let's get started. Now, to explain why you should write object-oriented programs, I will explain the concepts based on a store management system that we will start developing together. So starting to think about how to take our first steps with such a program, we could first think about tracking after the items that we have right now in our store. So one way we could get started, we could create those 4 variables to start tracking after our items. So as you can see, we have our first variable, item1 equals to phone, and then we have 3 more variables that are intentionally starting with the prefix of item1 so that we could describe that those 4 variables are related to each other by following the correct naming conventions. Now, you might think that those 4 variables are related to each other only because it uses the same prefix of item1. For Python, those are just 4 variables with different data types. So if we were to print the type for each of those 4 variables now, we would receive their types with no surprises, right? We would receive string and integer for price quantity and price total. Now, I want to focus on those specific outputs right now because as you can see, for each of the types, we also see the keyword of class. Now, this means that those data types are actually instances of strings or integers. So in Python programming language, each data type is an object that has been instantiated earlier by some class. And for the item1 variable, that has been instantiated from a string type of class. And for the price quantity and price total, those have been instantiated from a class that is named int, meaning integer. So it could have been nicer if we could tell Python that we want to create a data type of our own. It will allow us to write a code that we can reuse in the future easily if needed. Now, each instance could have attributes to describe related information about it. And we can think about at least some good candidates for attributes we could have for our item data type, like its name, price or quantity. Alright, so let's go ahead and start creating our first class. So I will clean everything from here and we'll go ahead with it. So it is going to be divided into two parts. The first one will be the creation of the class, and the second one will be the part that I will instantiate some objects of this class. Now when I say creating an instance or creating an object, basically I mean do the same thing, so you might hear me saying one of those. Alright, so let's go ahead and say class, and then this needs to be followed by the name of the class that you want to create. So we would like to give it the name of item, and then inside of this class, in the future we are going to write some code that will be very beneficial and very useful for us, so we won't repeat ourselves every time that we like to take similar actions. But for now, temporarily I'm going to say here pass, so we will not receive any errors inside this class definition. Alright, so now that we have created our class, then we are allowed to create some instances of this class. So let's go ahead and say item1 is equal to item, and that action is equivalent to creating an instance of a class. Just like if you were to create a random string, then you will say something like the following: this is equivalent to this one as well. So it is very important to understand how classes are working in Python. So I will delete this line because this was just for an example. And now I said that we are allowed to assign some attributes to instances of a class. So let's go ahead and start creating attributes, and that will be achievable by using the dot sign right after the instance of a class. And here you can say that you want to give it an attribute like a name that will be equal to phone, and item1.price could be equal to 100, and item1.quantity could be equal to 5, for example. Now in that stage, you might ask yourself, what is the difference between the random variables that we have created to those 4 lines? Well, here we actually have a relationship between those 4 lines because each one of the attributes are assigned to one instance of the class. And I could prove you this by going ahead and try to print the types of item1 now, and as well as the types of the attributes of name, price, and quantity. Now with name, price, and quantity, we are not going to have any surprises because we assigned string type attributes to the item object. But if we were to print that, then check out the result if I was to run this program. So you can see that now we have a data type of item here, and that is the big difference between what we have seen previously to this thing that we have just created. So now we understand how we can create our own data types. Now let's go ahead and see what are the rest of the benefits using object-oriented programming. Okay, so until now we understood how to assign attributes to instances. We should also understand now how we can create some methods and execute them on our instances. Now, if we will take as an example the built-in class of string, then you know that we have some methods that we can go ahead and execute for each of our strings. And for this example, you can see that I grab an instance of a string that I named random_str, and then I go ahead in the next line and execute the upper method, which, if you remember, is responsible to grab all the letters and turn them to uppercase. Now, the biggest question here is how we can go ahead and design some methods that are going to be allowed to execute on our instances. Well, the answer is inside our class. So we could go inside our class and write some methods that will be accessible from our instances. So we could go ahead and say def and give our method a name. Now, a good candidate for a method that we'd like to create now is actually calculate total price, because as we understand, it could have been nice if we were to have a method that will go ahead and calculate the result multiplying item1.price with item1.quantity, so we can get the total price for that specific item. Now, before we go ahead and complete this function, then I'm going to just create one more instance of this item by also deleting those 2 lines because we understood the example. So I'm just going to change those to item2 like that, and I'm going to use something like laptop and change the price to 1000 and say that we have 3 of those. Now, just a quick side note, when you will hear me say methods, then I basically mean to functions that are inside the classes. Because in terms of Python or in any programming language, when you have isolated definitions with this keyword, then those are considered to be called functions. But when you go ahead and create those functions inside classes, then those are called methods. So that is an important point that you should understand, because I'm going to call those inside classes this keyword, then those are considered to be called functions. But when you go ahead and create those functions inside classes, then those are called methods. So
methods, classes inside functions is called method.
So that is an important point that you should understand, because I'm going to call those methods from now. Okay, so now if I was to continue by opening up and closing those parentheses, then you are going to see one parameter that is auto-generated that Python wants us to receive intentionally. Now, the reason that this happens, Python passes the object itself as a first argument when you go ahead and call those methods. Now, if I was to go here and say item1.calculate total price, then the action that we are doing now is calling this method. But when you go ahead and call a method from an instance, then Python passes the object itself as a first argument every time. So that is why we are not allowed to create methods that will never receive parameters. Now, you will see this if I was to remove the first parameter and say something like pass. Now, if I was to execute this program now, then you are going to see type error, calculate total price takes 0 positional arguments, but 1 was given. So in simple words, what this exception says is that Python tries to pass 1 argument and you are not receiving any parameter. So that is very problematic. And that is why you always have to receive at least 1 parameter when you go ahead and create your methods. Now, since we always receive this parameter, then it is just a common approach to call this self. It was okay if I was to call it something like my param or I don't know, something else, but you never want to mess up with common conventions across different Python developers. So that is why just make sure that you leave it as self every time. Now, if I was to go ahead and run this program, then you're gonna see that we are not going to receive any errors. So this means that this method has been implemented correctly. Now let's see how we are going to benefit from creating this method, because it should go ahead and create a calculation for us using price and quantity. So I will intentionally receive here 2 more parameters, which we could name just x and y for now, and we could just say return x multiplied by y. And now I will go ahead and pass in here 2 additional arguments, and it will be item1.price. The second one will be quantity. So that is going to work, because when you call this method, in the background, Python passes this as an argument, and then it passes this second argument, and then this has been passed as a third argument, so that is perfect. And if I was to run that and actually print this, so excuse me for running this before printing it, so I will surround this expression with this print built-in function, and I will run that, and you're gonna see 500 as expected. Now I could do
Okay, let's cut this. Just want to save, bhai. Yes, save this. Pum, 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 pum. Think hashtag. OP one more time, then bye. Okay. Okay. Let's make a class. What is the say? Let's enter. Items are in scale. This is sum. Yes. Self or self comma return x multiplied by y. And here we can use print cal sum, no? Okay. Error, what is the error now, bhai? Error. Enter the item. Mhm. You don't. Okay. I was thinking it should work. But it wasn't.
Fatima. Hi.
Hello, hello, Fatima. Welcome back to the stream. Okay, item one. You are
Fatima.
late. I was created
Bye.
a project. Why you are going? Why should we come then? Ah, I created a project today, by the way. Also, I created yesterday a project. I created two projects. Some also is not coming. Calculator not coming. Bhai, what is happening? I think I should end the stream today like this because I'm going to learn this with my own. I think because I'm making one song. So yeah, this for the today's stream. I hope you guys like the stream. Like, comment, share, subscribe, all
Fatima.
that do. Bye bye.
Oh
Peace out.
cool.